Hi there, my name is Joseph Emmanuel, the Millionaire Affiliate. I'm super excited to have you here again. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you could make money doing the things that you love, how you could turn your passion into profit, and of course make crazy money doing the things you love. So real quick, let's jump straight into the video. The first thing I always tell people is this: making money in 2022 is easy. You look for a problem and you offer a solution to it. The bigger the problem you solve, the more reward you get, and of course the more money you stand to make. Now, having a great product or service is not always enough. Your ability to sell is where the money is. So now, the first 3 ways you could make money for yourself is by 1, selling your skills. Now, there's that thing that you know how to do already. It could be maybe a knowledge you have on crypto, on forex, on sales and marketing. You could package all of this into a product and sell it for crazy money. The second thing you could sell is your story, is your experience. Now you move from point A to point B. Tell us how you did it. You've lost fat overnight, or you found the secret strategy of burning fat without taking slim tea or whatever. Teach us how you did it. You went from being broke to making $2,000, $5,000. Tell us how you did it. Package your story. Package your mistakes. Even your mistakes, people are ready to pay for it because people are in that position that you are already. Now they want to know how you transition and they're ready to pay you big money for it if you can package it and put value in front. Now when you put value around your offer, it increases the market value. That's why they'll pay you crazy amount for it. Now the last thing, which is my favorite, is your no-brainer. I call it your unfair advantage. Now there's that one thing that you know that no other person know, or there's that 1% thing that you're better than others at. You can package that thing into a big money secret and make crazy money for it. Now I have a friend that is making crazy money selling his grandmother's recipe. You can imagine, and the best part is that he's selling it to an international market. So now, 5 different ways that you could sell. The first thing that you could do is you can package that knowledge into an ebook. There's this new sort for information in 21st century. You could utilize this and make crazy money. Now, it's simple. Ebook creation is like one of the easiest things you could do, and you can make crazy money. You can sell that ebook not just to the local market, but you could sell it to the international market. Now, I have a course on ebook creation goldmine to teach you how to make your first 500k creating ebooks, how to get people to buy and sell whatever you are selling, how to attract the international market that will buy that particular ebook. So you could also teach your knowledge. I have friends that are making millions by teaching people how to create ebooks for their knowledge, how to package their knowledge into ebooks and sell like crazy. So you could also turn that into a business and make hell of money for yourself. The next thing you could do is create an online course. Now, an online course is simply a documentation of all the whole processes or whatever you want to teach. I always tell people to niche down to a particular niche, dominate it. Teach us how we could also get the same result that you did, how we could start. Your online course could be maybe a starter course, teaching us to be a basic class, whatever, or you could do a signature course. A signature course is simply an advanced course that teaches people how to scale. So whatever you choose to do, provided that you have value, you have the results, people will pay you big money for what you have to offer. Now the next thing you could do is to organize a digital training. Now the first one I made money online, that was 2008 or something. The first one I made money online was through a WhatsApp class. I feel that's like the easiest way to make money right now. What I did was, I just put it up on my status. I did a flyer on Canva. I was like, I told them, I'll teach you how to make money on WhatsApp. I put the price tag 2,500 without any sponsored ad, strictly for my status. I think I got over 50 students. So calculate it, 2,500 by 50. You know how much money that is. So it's simple. You already have that one thing. Put it out there for people to see. I always tell people, best known always win best. So you can have a great offer, you can have the best, you could be the best graphic designer, whatever. But if people don't see, if people don't know, they will not pay you money. So you need to put your face out there for people to see. Visibility is key in doing business. Sales is a game of numbers. the more people that see your offer, the more likely they are to eventually buy from you. So the next thing that you could do is to create a coaching program. Now this is now one of my favorites. Now a coach is simply someone that takes someone else from point A to point B, teach them how they could scale their business or whatever. The fact that you are skilled, you have experience in that field, automatically you could position yourself as a coach, offer a coaching program, get people to register, and then they are paying you crazy money. Now the last way you could make money is by having a mentorship subscription, a mentorship membership program. Now I know someone that does crazy money from this, Kenny Woko. He has a membership for 0 to hero affiliate, different subscriptions, and the best part about a membership is that you get to run it on autopilot. Now they could choose any subscription they want. I know he has a 3-month plan, he has 6-month plan, he has 1 year. Now every year they are renewing it, or after his subscription expired they are renewing it. You are making money on the long run. So when it comes to making money on the online space, it boils down to the value that you have to give. Like I said, study your audience, look for a problem and offer the solution to them. The easiest way to make money on WhatsApp: study your audience already. What is that thing that they are looking for? Or if you have maybe a skill that you are good at, you want to make money from it, study your audience. Are these people able to relate with this thing? Study them. Who needs this service that I'm offering? Package it and sell it to them. It's easy. So if you got value from this, comment below I got value, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Get more people to see this content, like and subscribe, help the channel grow. So see you next time.